Why does my vagina make a farting sound? Has your vagina ever produced a sound that left you blaming the beans you had for lunch? You are having sex and then boom, your vagina makes a farting sound. What will you do? Hide in shame? Stop to investigate the fart? Pretend like it wasn't you and instead blame your partner? Laugh? Continue like nothing happened? Well, everyone with a vagina and who is sexually active is likely to have experienced this. Sometimes, during sex, your body can produce a farting sound in addition to doing other weird things. Some people call it vagina flatulence or vagina fart, but the correct word is a queef. A queef is the release of air trapped in your vagina. How and why does a queef happen? Since vaginal opening is, well, open, air can enter in several ways and get trapped in there. Certain yoga poses, exercises, and sex can let air into the vagina. During sex, the movement of a vibrator or penis in and out of the vagina can allow air to get in and get trapped. When the penis or sex toy is removed from the vagina, the trapped gas is released, causing the queefing sound. You may notice that queefing happens during some positions, for example, doggy style, and not others, and this is why it may not happen every time you have sex. Some women are more likely to produce the queefing sound as this depends on the shape and length of the vagina canal. Can I prevent it? It's too embarrassing. No, you can't. The good news is that this happens to many women. You are not alone. The better news is that it's a normal body process and nothing to be embarrassed about. The best news is that, unlike normal farts from your butt, a queef does not produce any smell. Instead of feeling embarrassed, find a way to deal with it, like laughing, imitating the sound, or just going about your business like nothing happened. It's possible that your partner doesn't even mind, but other than that, it's important to accept natural occurrences because we don't have control. In a perfect world, most of us would prefer not to queef. But as you know, we don't live in a perfect world, so queef on, queen. Ladies and gentlemen, over to you. Share your experience with queefing.
Love matters. Open, honest, sex-friendly.